What's up, everybody? This is Danny Mathematics here with another example to explore. And today, guys, I want to go over parallel lines and transversals, parallel lines and transversals. And we're going to go over example 3, and then we're going to go over example 4, okay? So in example 3, guys, if you notice, we have two triangles that are connected together. So we have a triangle right here, and we have a triangle right here, right? Now, the main thing that we need to understand about triangles is the fact that all triangles, doesn't matter the size, right? Doesn't matter the length of each side. It doesn't matter what type of triangle. All triangles will equal 180 degrees. So in this video, guys, I created a little list of hints that are great notes for us to use while we're solving these particular examples. So once again, guys, we know that all triangles equals 180 degrees. So I know for a fact, guys, that this angle plus that angle equals 180 degrees. So I could try to add them all up, but first I need to find out the value of y because I have the value of x. And remember, we only can really solve when we have only one value to figure out, not two, okay? So the next thing that I notice, guys, is I know that alternative exterior angles equal in size. So if the two angles sits on the opposite sides of the transversal, but they sit basically in the same position but opposite sides, then that means that they're equal. So this angle, which is 8y minus 13, is actually equal to 5y plus 14 because they are alternate exterior angles. They sit on alternate sides, but they still sit low-key in the same position, or alternate sides, okay? So what we're gonna do is, guys, we're gonna actually solve for y because both of those angles are alternate interior angles. So let me go ahead and do this right here. I'm gonna put alternate, and not alternate interior, my bad, alternate exterior. Alternate exterior angles, because they sit on opposite sides of the transversal. So it's alternate exterior angles, okay? Okay, and the alternate exterior angles I have, guys, is 5y plus 14. And actually, I'm gonna write it in black, okay? Because I do better with black. So 5y plus 14 equals this angle, 8y minus 13. Of course, guys, what we need to do, guys, is we need to move all of our variables and coefficients on one side, move all our numbers to the opposite side. So I'm going to move all of my variables and coefficients on this side. I'm going to move all my constants or numbers on that side, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 5y on both sides. Okay. It will cancel out on this side, and then this 14 stays, but I'm going to add 13 on both sides because it's the opposite of what I see. So I'm going to add 13 on both sides. This negative 13 and positive 13 will cancel out. Okay, and then 14 plus 13 equals 27. Okay, so now I have 27 equals 8y minus 5y equals 3y. If that's the case, then if I divide both sides by 3, then y will equal 9. Okay, so y has a value of 9. Okay, that is the value of y. So if I know that, guys, I can actually plug in 9 as y and actually solve. Okay, so I can actually plug in 9 as y. And I'm sorry, I need to make y be red. Right? I can plug in 9 as y. Okay? I'm going to plug in 9 right here as y. Okay? Now, let's go ahead and solve. 8 times 9 equals 72. 72 minus 13 equals 59. 59. Okay? So this whole angle right here, guys, actually equals 59 degrees. 59 degrees. okay? That whole angle right there equals 59 degrees. This angle should also equal 59 degrees. Let's see. 5y, which is 5 times 9. 5 times 9 is 45. 45 plus 14 equals 59. So this whole angle right here, guys, is 59 degrees. Okay? That whole angle is 59 degrees. Let me write it in red. 59 degrees. That whole angle is 59 degrees, okay? Now, because we found out this angle, guys, which is 59 degrees, this whole angle is 59 degrees, we can add 59 degrees to 3x plus 2x plus 1 and make it all equal to 180, because remember, guys, every triangle equals 180 degrees, okay? So now, let's go ahead and do that. So in this triangle right here at the bottom that I have, right, which is this one, okay? I'm going to have 59, so 59 degrees, 59 degrees plus 3x plus 2x plus 1 equals, remember, a whole triangle equals 180 degrees. Okay? So now what I need to do is, guys, I need to combine like terms. I can combine 3x with 2x, which equals 5x. All right? And I can combine 59 and 1, right? 59 plus 1 is 60. So it will be 5x plus 60 equals 180. Okay? Now, of course, I need to subtract both sides by 60. Okay? So now I'm going to have 5x equals 180 minus 60 is 120. And then if I divide both sides by 4, x will equal 24. X will equal 24. 24. Okay? So if I just plug in 24 as x in these two particular expressions, right, I can actually get the value of those particular angles, okay? So 2 times 24 is 48. 48 plus 1 equals 49. Okay? So this angle right here is 49 degrees. Okay? 24 times 3 is, that's 12. Carry 1. That is 72. So this angle right here, guys, is 72. Okay, let me just make sure one more time. Yeah, that angle is 72, okay? So we know that that angle is 72. And then if we add up 59 to 72 to 49, they should all equal 180. Let's just do that real quick on the side so we can check. If they equal 180, then that means that we have the right values. Okay? 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18, which is 180. So yes, we have the correct values or the correct measurements of each angle, okay? Now let's get to this particular triangle, okay? In this particular triangle, guys, remember, we already have the value of this particular angle, right? But remember, guys, this angle and that angle are alternate exterior, meaning that they're equal. If they're alternate exterior, then this angle and this angle is alternate exterior, okay? That means that these two are alternate exteriors. So if this angle is 72 degrees, then this angle over here is also 72 degrees because they are alternate exterior, meaning that they equal in size. So this angle right here is 72 degrees, okay? And then of course, guys, what I can do is I can add 72 to 59, right? And then I can subtract it from 180 to find out this angle, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. So 72 plus 59 equals, that's 11, bring that up, that's 13, right? So that's 131 degrees, right? So if I subtract 131 degrees from 180 degrees, I should get this particular angle, okay? That's 9, this is 6, and that's 0, right? So that angle right there should be, oops, I'm sorry. Why did I put 6? I'm sorry, guys. I'm going too fast. 7 minus 3 is actually 4. So that's actually 49 degrees, okay? 49 degrees. So this angle right here would equal 49 degrees. All right, that would equal 49 degrees. And I know that's for a fact, guys, because if you notice, guys, both triangles both have an angle of 59. They both got an angle of 49, and they both got an angle of 72. All right, because these two angles are exterior, alternate exterior. These two angles are alternate exterior, meaning that they equal, and then these two angles will automatically equal because the other two angles equal themselves.